Hey. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of what the hell y'all got going on with her head. So, I made my own hair mask. If you want to know, this is the avocado mask. This is the consistency of it. If you'd like to know how I made this avocado mask, it will be linked up above in the description bar. Started off on some wet hair. Nice and wet. I used warm water on my hair. Honestly, it still smells good from the terrible conditioner and shampoo that I used the other day. So my hair is pretty dry from not dry. My hair is pretty stripped of its nutrients from the shampoo and conditioner that I used the other day from the Suave Professional line that is trash. If you want to watch that, that'll be in the description bar. Right there, girl. You see that eye? It'll be right there. Okay? Let's get to it. You can listen to some music. Come on.
Send me your location. Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location. Let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage and leave my heart damaged. You understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location. Let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. I don't wanna fall in love over so sweet, so let's get personal. Got a lot of cool spots that we can go. Tell me what's the move and I got you. I'm only acting like this 'cause I like you. Just give me the vibe to slide in and make you mine by the night. Won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through. Yeah. Send me your location. Let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you.
So you've watched me apply this all into my hair. I thought that I made too much of the avocado conditioner, but I ended up using all of it. So I didn't make too much. You can see it's not like it's all dripping out of my hair and stuff. I didn't make too much, so that's a good thing. I used an entire. You want to know how I made it? Watch the video. I can go there in the red. So now, you see that in the red? That look good down there in the red. So this is a deep conditioner. I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna come back in about 45 minutes to an hour, and I will reveal the product.
Oh, a little bit better when you plan it. Won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come through.
So all in all, this took me about a good, it says 22 minutes, so it took me about a good 20 minutes to do, to put the conditioner in my hair, put a shower cap over it, wrap it up to try and help seal in that moisture. I'm going to give myself a complete hour. This is all trial and error, because I don't know how any of this shit gonna turn out. So we finna find out together, bitch. We finna find out together. So I set my timer for 1 hour. So my alarm just went off. I have been in this wrap up do for an hour now. I ended up wrapping a towel around my head wrap because I wanted to try to keep as much heat in my head as possible to really help the cuticles of my hair open up and take in the moisture from the avocado and take in all of the vitamins and anything that the avocado had to offer my hair. You definitely have a lot of avocado scent in there. It feels soft. There's some bounce back there. I like that. Yeah, I like it. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Hey, long living. Okay. Okay, avocado conditioner, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go and wash this out with cool water. Then I'm gonna come back and give you my final thoughts on the DIY avocado hair mask slash deep conditioner. Wow, look at that. Okay, avocado mask. Not avocado, but avocado. Okay, avocado mask. Now you know, like I like to shake. But you know I like to I like to shake. Now you know I like to shake. Don't play with me now. And these are not anything that I helped create. It just did that on its own. And they're all about my hair. Wow. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm back. Here, I just washed my hair out with some cool water, like I said before. And then, while I was in the shower, I grabbed a grocery bag and put it over my head before I got out to try to save all of the moisture that I could from the water in my hair. So I just went in with some leave-in conditioner, as usual, just regular old can too. I mean, can we take a second to really appreciate the amount of moisture my hair has? Girl, it's beautiful.
Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you. This is new to me.
And since my hair is low porosity, I do try and go through and push the cream and really try to massage that cream into my hair so that it's not just sitting on top and it doesn't clump up. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm going to do it throughout my whole head. Now now for the final step, take your oil and use it as a sealant and just seal in all of that good stuff you just did to your hair. And girl, you good to go after this.
Send me your location, let's ride.
Now, because I am extra sometimes and I really didn't have anything to do today, I went ahead and I put that bag back on my head and I set a timer for about 10 minutes and just walked around the house to try and let everything set. But you don't have to do this part. This part is completely
right now.
optional. I promise you, if you don't do this part, your hair will still be fine.
Oh my. Girl. Girl. Is there something on my hands? My hair feels so soft. I'm looking up because I'm looking in the viewfinder because I just want to see if y'all see what I see. You see what I see or not? My hair, my. I think it's still got a little bit more absorbing to do, but I'm thoroughly impressed. It feels so thick. It feels so moisturized. It feels, I'm very, very happy with this outcome. Girl, look. Girl, when I say I was just crusty and dusty a few minutes ago, girl, I was crusty and dusty about 2 hours ago. Crusty and dusty, honey. Do you hear me? But now, y'all, my hair say, who? Let me see if I can run my fingers. Oh, I can detangle like this. Look. Look, fish. Y'all, my hair feels so damn good. Guys, pleased is an understatement. I am very, very pleased with the, look at the ends though. I need to go ahead and just, blow dry this out and try to trim these ends as best as I can, because no, the answer is a solid no. So I need to trim these ends because they just need to be trimmed, obviously. But other than that, the moisture in my hair right now, the scent of my hair smells really, really good. It's just soft. It's just so weird. I'm so excited and I'm so happy, and I think I'll be doing this more often, maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, because there's a lot of avocados to just be using like that if it's once a week. So maybe I do it once every 2 weeks or something. But I can't stop looking at my hair. I'm so excited about my hair. It feels great. Oh, it's so moisturized. Would you try this? Like, I encourage you to really, really try it. I encourage you to check out that video up above of me making this deep conditioner and trying your best to follow the steps the way I did it, to see if it works for your hair, especially if your hair is very similar to my texture and how it behaves and how it performs. Okay, so if you do try it, just drop a comment down below. Say, yes girl, I'm about to try this. Because, you know, I'm happy right now. I'm very, very, very happy right now. Okay, so I hope y'all try it. If you like this video, please like my video. If you like this video, make sure you share my video on all of your social platforms. Be sure to follow me on all of my social platforms at IyataJ. That's IYATAJAY. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.